morning students. I Vaishali, your maths teacher, welcome you again in Alchemy online tutorials. Last time you have learned about money and shapes, right? And today I will ask you some story, I will ask you some questions and you have to give the answers. So, at what time you are going to school? 9 o'clock? Yes. After that, what is your break time? It's 11 o'clock. Yes. So what we are this following? We are following a routine. Routine is based upon our time. Where we are seeing time? In clock. Right. So today we will learn about time. See, I have drawn one clock. How many numbers are there in a clock? Total 12. How many numbers are there? 12. So, while drawing the face of the clock, I had made the 4 points, one upside, one downside, one on the left and one on the right. So, first of all, I am writing number 12. Then I will write 1. Then I will write 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So how many hands you have shown in the clock? There are 2 hands. One is short and one is long. The short hand is known as the hour hand and the long hand is known as the minute hand. Short hand is of hour. Long hand is of minute. Before going further, I would like to show you one video. From that you will get the idea very quickly.
Hey, I am a clock. I am used to know the time. My flat surface is called my face. The numbers 1 to 12 appear on my face. I have 2 hands just like you. But my one hand is short and other long. My short hand is also called an hour hand. It shows the hour. A day has 24 hours. So, the hour hand completes 2 rounds in 24 hours. My long hand is also called a minute hand. It shows the minutes. Come, now I will teach you how to read the time. See, my hour hand is on 5 and the minute hand is on 12. This means time is 5 o'clock. We read it as 5 o'clock. We write it as 5, then colon, and then 0, 0. Let us see.
Now have you seen the example how a clock makes with the two hands? As you are having the two hands, the clock is also having two hands. Now, this video has given us one example of 5 o'clock. As in the clock, the short hand is on 5 and long hand is on 12. It means the time is 5 o'clock. And we can write in another way 5 colon 0 0. Now, if I am drawing the short hand on 8 and long hand is on 12, then the time will be, yes, you are correct, it is 8 o'clock, or we can write 8 colon 0 0 means 8 o'clock. Now there are two types of clock. This one is number clock. It is also clock. It is also called analog clock. You can see there are 12 numbers in this clock as I have drawn. In the whole day, we are having 24 hours. How many hours are there in a day? 24 hours. The clock is moving 2 times in a day. When it creates 2 times in a day, it makes 24 hours. As one in the morning 9 a.m. when you are coming to school, and one is 9 p.m. when you are having your dinner. So this one is the analog clock, and I am having one watch. Can you see? This one is digital watch. In this, numbers are there. From that, students and small children get know very easily how to see the time. In this, according to 24 hours time is showing. Now, in this, 21 semicolon 22, the time is showing. 21 means 9 o'clock and 22 minutes. This one is digital and this one is analog clock. Right? In the same way, wherever is the short hand is going, you have to continue with that and say the time. If my short hand is on 1, it is 1 o'clock. If my short hand is on 2, it is 2 o'clock. If my short hand is on 3, the time will be 3 o'clock. Now, if my both the hands, short hand or long hand of the clock is on 12, then you will get confused. Then, ma'am, what is the time? If the both hands are on the same number, like both the hands are on 12, then the time is 12, comma, clock. 12 o'clock, and we will write 12 colon 0 0. So this is the time which you have already learned in the last first standard, and I hope you have got a quick recap about it. As we have learned about the time, now further we are going to learn about days of the week and months in a year. So first of all, in 1 year, how many days are there? So there are 365 days. Or whether it is a leap year, then it will be 366 days. So how many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week. First one is Monday, second one is Tuesday, third one is Wednesday, fourth one Thursday, fifth one Friday, sixth Saturday, and last one is Sunday. If I will ask you which day comes before Tuesday? Which day comes before Tuesday? So before means upside. Before of Tuesday, which day? It is Monday. And after of Thursday, Friday. Which day comes after Thursday? It is Friday. And which day comes between Friday and Sunday? Which day comes Friday and Sunday? That is Saturday. So right, now we are moving to months in a year. How many months are there in a year? There are total 12 months in a year. So the first and foremost is January, which is having 31 days. Feb 28 or 29. March 31. April 4th one 30. May 31. June 30. July 31. 8th August 31. 9th month September 30. October month 31. November month 30 and last December month 31. You can how to know that there are 31 or 30? That we have already done this with our hand. The upper side has 31 days and the lower side is have this 30 days, right? So this we have already done in our class. So which month comes after March? March. So after March, April. Which month is the last month of the year? December is the last month of the year. In this way, you have to make it remember, and I can ask you frequently questions upon it. So I hope you have understood well about the time, days of the week and month in a year. Now I would like to give you homework worksheet. This is your homework worksheet of time. You have to write that, you have to see the time and you have to write in your notebook. Now on another homework. This is the homework worksheet of your months in a year. You have to write the answers in the notebook. So I hope you have understood well about the concept of time and days of the week and month in a year. Thank you, students.